In this video, we're going to see the Facebook pages. First of all, we want to understand what is the difference between Facebook pages and Facebook groups. This is very important, although we already talked about that, because this is where you make a decision for your business, if to use pages or if to use groups, or when to use pages and when to use groups. So first of all, pages are for engagement and groups for discussions. So bear that in mind. Groups on Facebook have undergone changes since they were first implemented. There was a time when groups a user was a member of would appear on their own personal page. So if you were in a group called Football Fans, everyone who could see your profile would know this about you. Now, however, those types of open forums are known as pages, created by companies, celebrities, and brands to engage with their audience and post interesting content. Only administrators of pages can post to the account, while those who like the page can comment on any post and pictures. Your personal profile is what you use to engage with other users of pages and groups. Whenever you post something, you are posting with the name and photo of your profile. Pages have larger networking than groups. Another way groups are different from pages is that they work on smaller networks than the entire Facebook network. You can limit your group to the network for your college, high school, or company, as well as make it a group for members of any network. Also, while a page can accumulate as many likes as possible, a group must be kept at 250 members or lower. This immediately forces Facebook groups to be smaller than pages. Once inside a group, Facebook works only slightly different than your profile. A group does not use the timeline, but rather displays posts in direct chronological order, similar to the pre-timeline manner. Also, members of the group can see who has seen a post, which is a unique feature for group accounts. So if you post a new idea for your group's project or publish something to your family's Facebook group, the read receipts lets you see who has viewed it. Another difference between joining a group and liking a page is the number of notifications that you receive. When in a group, you will get notified each time someone posts, comments, or likes. With a page, however, it's just when someone likes your comment or tags you in a comment that you will be told of it, much like with regular comments and likes on Facebook. Pages have insights and groups do not. A unique feature only offering pages is Page Insights, which allows the administrators of the page to see what activity the page has been receiving during a period of time, even in a graphical representation. This is just one of the many ways Facebook pages allow you to monitor the audience and how well your product or message is being received. These analytics are not offered or needed in groups because they are meant to communicate with a small, selected number of people rather than a wide-scale audience. Let's see how to create a Facebook page. So you need to go to this URL, www.facebook.com/business/learn/Facebook-page-basics.